Hello, Paul. So this is a new adapter board. This one is new, old adapter board, and just now I have replaced by new one adapter board. And then I have connected all the solenoid signal cable to its own original position, which you had shown on through the image. So this R side is this is 2, this is 2, second, and this is 4, this one 4, and this is 6, and this is 10, this and 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 and 10. Oh, these all the signal cables are in their own original positions, which then after then I am turning on this OT table from this power button, and while checking it seems to be working fine now. Table is working, table down, table up is working, table down is working also. Backup is also working, and back down option is working to its original position, to its original bottom. And tilt function is also working. That's tilt R also working. Okay, and reverse train is also working. Yes, reverse and train bottom is also working fine now. And then all the other bottoms are working fine now. Let's see. Floor unlock is also working now fine. Okay, but system board is its original system board. I have not replaced the new one new system board. This system board is its original. Now the floor lock wheel is also working, and again I'm lock. Okay, now floor lock is also working. अब टेबल डाउन गऱ्यो भने हाम्रो फेरि तल जान्छ नि त हैन, नगरौँ. टेबल लेभल चाहिँ अब हामी हेर्न बाँकी छ हैन. ओके, so the inspection completed now. The main reason was due to this adapter board. Okay, now I have concluded that the issues was recurrently coming from this adapter board. Now this I think this problem has been solved now. यो बडा चेक गर न एक्चुअली यसरी हुन्छ. यस्तो गर त, थिच त, प्रेस गर त, प्रेस गर हल्का. सेकेन्ड पे टेबल नम्बर. ओके, वर्किङ. थोरै मात्र चेक गर है. ओके, वर्किङ. Rear panel is also working now. Okay, this new adapter board had come at the time of Bhardur Hospital's Benq OT Table problems. At the time you had sent to me that different types of accessories at that time. So that adapter is now is used here. Okay, done by. अब यो पनि त खासै फेर्न पर्दैन के हेर्ने यो. So I would like to ask you that this non-return valve was also replaced to check this OT table. So what to do? Whether can I leave this non-return valve here, or should I remove from here? Please you reply me as soon as possible. Next time, if it is not necessary to leave here to assemble this item, then I will remove from here next time. Okay. I think now everything is all right after replacing the adapter board. Now I am removing the old adapter board and removing old adapter board, and then will be closed all other to its on position. Now, यसको त नट हुँदो रहेछ यार, तलपट्टि लक पनि हुँदो रहेछ कि एकछिन है त, यतिखेर हाल्यो यसो देखायो त ट्याच गर्छु।
कुन मोबाइल हो त तपाईँको?
यो के भन्छ नाम पनि बिर्सेखेरि मैले आएर
भिडियो त सही आउँदो रहेछ त। बस हेर्दै यही लगाइदिनु न।
यसलाई चाहिँ आइडिया लिएर त्यसको आइडिया लिएर भयो क्या।
त्यो होइन यसरी थियो र
यसरी नै भयो। Assembling new adapter होइन। यो चाहिँ हाम्रो पुरानो बोर्ड हो जुन त्यहाँबाट मैले निकालेँ होइन। दिस वान इज ओल्ड एडाप्टर बोर्ड and just removed from this column and this is new, just replaced right now, to its original, and all the cables are assembled, installed to its to its own original position now. यसपछि गएर सब ठिकै छ नि त है। यो ओल्ड बोर्डलाई चाहिँ यता राखिदिउँ, पुरानो बोर्ड हो पाउनु चाहिँ राम्रो छ। टाइम रनिङ भएको छ नि